Platoon Leader Boys Daniel Morada, Bravo Company Commander Javel P. Castillo, Bravo Company XO Shaitan Cristiana, Bravo Venezuela, Germain Lorpado, First Platoon Leader Bears Leila Rodrigado, Second Platoon Leader Bears Shirley P. Vanes, Mami Company Commander Bravo Wing Office, Mami Company XO Princess Rosado, Mami Leader Better and Rose Society, First Platoon Leader Second Platoon Leader Jamal Cortez, Don Serviliano Platoon, Memorial National High School, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Nas Palmaria. Troop Commander, Hans Ivan Abiliegos. Troop S1, Francis J. Mora. Troop S2, Gerald Ezekiel Bahia. Troop S3, Paul Melody Bulacao. Troop S4, FJ Nuestro. Troop S5, Joseph Ronquillo. Troop S6, Major Leader Evan Rose Mohar. Band Leader Justin Andy Manuel. CDB Alpha Company Commander Asher Yuan Mura. Alpha Company XO Kurt Alvin Toplano. First Platoon Leader Boys Nelson John Estefane. Second Platoon Leader Boys Mike Louis Laureno. CDB Bravo Company Commander Holly Eduardo. Bravo Company XO Francine May Estefani. First Platoon Leader Girls Champagne Yoga. Second Platoon Leader Girls Gia Ray Alexandre. CTP Mape Facilitator Cherry S. Argones. Assistant CTP DRM Facilitator Lyndon S. Del Nove. Major Coordinator Sandy D. Official. Major Assistant Coordinator Maria Giselle Barbolio. DPC DRC Coordinator Noel D. Altrapante. Edsel Borimor, Assistant Band Director. Entry number 7. Thank you. Entry number 17, Don Villano Platoon, Memorial National High School, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 18, Bula National High School, Sagrada Bula, Camarines Sur with category 4. Troop and staff, Andre James De Jesus, Troop Commander, Jaden B. Sayat, Troop S1. Christine T. Silava, Troop S2, John Linuel Malibar, Troop S3, Mark Lauren Cabal, Troop S4, James Orbania, Troop S5, Modesto Espiritu III, Troop S6, Major Leader, Loren P. Nunez, DBC Leader, Angelo R. Brantis, Alpha Company Commander, Homer J. Santiago, Alpha Company XO, Florence Guarnes, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Paul A. Contemplacion. Second Platoon Leader, Boys, Phil Ayhan, Ringa Fuente. Bravo Company Commander, Fiona Micaela C. Timula. Bravo Company XO, Nerissa Magno. First Platoon Leader, Girls, Alice Jean Almazan. Second Platoon Leader, Lynn Elcano. Mapay Company Commander, Ray Vincent Antioquia. Mapay Company XO, Paul N. Busangit. First Platoon Leader, Christian L. Culiao. Second Platoon Leader, Mini C. Espiritu. Schoolhead, Fe Peralta. CTP Mapping Facilitator, Mark Jones Del Miguez. Assistant CTP Mapping Facilitator, Christian A. Paina and Marlo A. Pino. Maintenance Coordinator, Anthony R. Marlano. Michael Jacob Mayra A. Balala. Assistant Maintenance Coordinator. Entry number 19, Huyun High School, Huyun Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Troops and staff, J. Lawrence B. Alcoba, Troop Commander, Rudy St. Plazo, Troop S1, LPD B. Salinel, Troop S2, Glenn S. Calio, Troop S3, Jeffrey P. Perico, Troop S4, Major Leader, Rachel R. Adayo, DPC Leader, Ian Changelord Erinfo, Alpha Company Commander John Michael P. Clarino, Alpha Company XO Errol P. Calicoy, First Platoon Leader Boys Mernel Ali S. Del Castillo, Second Platoon Leader Boys James Baron Abilino, Bravo Company Commander Janice S. Lianza, Bravo Company XO Eliza Saninen, First Platoon Leader Girls Jane Winspeed, Ben Floor, Second Platoon Leader Girls Maria Dianis Sola, Second Platoon Leader Hilda Carullo, School Head Marlon A. Odlina, City Department Facilitator Tommy Z. Tesoro, Admiral Gwen Espenta, Assistant Coordinator, Major Coordinator Marlon Turco, Jose P. Azor, Assistant CTP DRR Facilitator. Entry number 19, High School, Julio, Tigam, Primary School. Thank you. Entry number 19, Huyun High School, Huyun Tigam, Catholic School. Second to the last entry, entry number 20, Tambo National High School, Tambo Uli Camarines School. Troop and Staff, Lord Matthew O. Demes, Troop Commander, Angel May Sulige, Troop S1, Jillian C. Troop S2, Mark Anthony Carbolino, Troop S3, Rosa May Lavapie, Troop S4, Jillian C. Palacio, Troop S5, Major Leader, Diana B. Casado, DVC Leader, Jethro Manzanilla, Alpha Company Commander, John Michael Vincent Saak, Alpha Company XO will be Nino Franco, First Platoon Leader, Boy Cyrus Babay, Second Platoon Leader, Boy John Gabriel Lavapie, Bravo Company Commander, Loisa Nara, Bravo Company XO, Leo Mix Constante, First Platoon Leader, Girls Maria Liana Lamonte, Second Platoon Leader, Girls Kim Bel Canicula, School Head, Erwin N.I. Agda, City Mafia Facilitator, Brian C.E. Danilo, Major Coordinator, Rowena T. Yago, DBCD LC Coordinator, Jennifer Manzanilla, WLC Casado, SBOD Coordinator. Entry number 20, Tambo National High School, Tambo Uli Camarines School. Tambo National High School, Tambo, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Last entry, entry number 21. University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff. Wing Category 4, Troop and Staff, Christine Saibel P. Mola, Troop Commander, Fabiola Dominic Gascon, Troop S1, Marie Descent Choi Yugatik, Troop S2, Jero Gabriel A. No, Troop S3, Leah France Villesa, Troop S4, Relda Anferni Birinya, Troop S5, Jonalyn P. Borja, Troop S6, Major Leader, Grishel Yvonne Murillo, Band Leader, Ivan Michael Talagi, Company Commander, Alpha Company Commander, Jermarx Rafael Lucena, Alpha Company XO, Carvin Blanco, First Platoon Leader, Boys Ace Gabriel Belmonte, Second Platoon Leader, Boys Gian Carlo Nava, Bravo Company Commander, Ana Patrice Celebrado, Bravo Company XO, Akira Liz Aguila. First Platoon Leader, Girls, Daniela P. Coronel. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Jasmine C. Sabulagse. Mapi Company Commander, Carl Matthew and Ablan. Mapi Company XO, Carl Joshua Pandes. First Platoon Leader, B. Zipdar Santa Cruz. Second Platoon Leader, Riza May Pusuga. School Head, Dr. Franza P. Buffet, Principal Junior High School, Mrs. Ninita T. Andalis, Principal Senior High School, CTP, Mapping Facilitator, Mr. Jonathan P. Huerto, Ms. Marisol D. Mendoza, Assistant CTP Mapping Facilitator, Matrix Coordinator, Mr. Sasan Mabayaw, Mr. Marvin Betanco, DBCDLC Coordinator, Mr. Jonathan Tasaga, Jomel Valeros, Attorney Emmanuel Ortega, University President. Entry number 21, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 21, the University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. And that was our last entry. For the second Regional Region CTPD RRM Mappe Parade Competition. Alaga di ko mabunin masunod. Ipapakita ni Fancy Drill Competition with dance number. So may you request all the